Do this now in the wintertime while your fruit trees are dormant to help prevent pest and disease come spring. Now, winter may seem like a quiet time in the garden, but it's actually a good time to protect our fruit trees. So the two things that you're going to need to spray them with is a dormant oil or horticultural oil and a copper fungicide. These two together works great. Now, copper fungicide works great on putting a protective layer on the bark of your tree that helps prevent apple scab, fire blight, and powdery mildew. So this is a great choice to spray your trees with. Now, your dormant oil or your horticulture oil, what it does when you spray your fruit trees with that, it suffocates any of the insect eggs or where they laid their eggs or anything that's on your trees just waiting to wake up this spring. It will suffocate them and cut down on the amount of pests that you have. Now, on both of these products, be sure that you follow the manufacturer's instructions on how to mix them. So we're going to get this mixed up and we're going to spray our trees. Now, when you spray your trees, try to cover them all. Try not to miss any spots, which sometimes it's possible to get it all. And I'm a wood chip gardener. Be sure to spray all around the wood chips at the base of the tree. So spray them good and heavy. Both of these are organic, so don't worry about spraying your fruit trees. It's a great time to do it. I spray my apples, plums, and pear trees, and I do go ahead while I'm at it and spray my pecan trees because I will get those old catawba worms all bunched up in it, and they reap havoc on it. Since I started spraying them with the dormant oil, it has definitely cut back on the amount of those that I've had. Well, that's what I do to my fruit trees. I battle squirrels more than I do pest and disease. If anybody's got any way of keeping squirrels from eating all my Asian pear trees, just hit me a comment down and let me know because I battle them more than this. But I went to this method probably about 2 years ago because I was fighting fire blight really bad, having to cut trees back. To get rid of it. If you do get it, try to remove the fire blight from your tree and just get it off your property. Just get it out of there. You don't want it to hang around. But since I started doing this, it has definitely helped that fire blight problem I've had. But guys, this is a great way to protect your trees. It's the perfect time to do it. We finally don't have freezing temperatures here in North Alabama. Now I am in zone 8A. So look to see when you need to spray. It is best late winter before spring gets here, before they start to bud. That's a key point. Be sure you do it before your fruit trees start to bud. You need to go through this process. So that's what I do. It's definitely helped me. I hope it helps you. And remember, if you grow it, you know it.